Hello everyone, this is Charrisse, and today is my very first product reveal for the year 2022 with many more to come. Alright, so go ahead, let's get started here. So today's product is a gift set by BRIO ELAN. And what we're going to do is go ahead and take a look at the packaging. It's kind of sexy and looks like it's stylish and sophisticated with a nice thick black box with gold writing and a gold bow. So let's go ahead and get it opened up and take a look and see what's inside. So when you open up the box, the very first thing you're going to encounter is a myriad of smells. So we have a candle, we have a bath bomb, and we also have a shower bomb. And we'll get to those in a minute. So the very first thing you're going to see in the card is a card here that says, this BRIO ELAN gift is curated to pamper and elevate your self-care to the next level. Your enjoyment and relaxation is our goal. Let's journey together toward a new you. Pretty cool card. All right. And then the very first product you have here is a V-line face mask. So you can go ahead and use this to help shape your face line. It helps reduce double chin. It helps maintain a chin lift. And it also is a moisturizing mask. So we all need to moisturize this area and our neck area to keep it nice, soft, and supple. Great first gift. So I talked about the 3 smell good items in here. So let's go ahead and take a look at those. So we have a lavender scented candle. Beautiful. Put this by your bedside. Put this by the tub. With a glass of wine and just wind down. Just relax for the day. Then the next thing we have here is a shower bomb. So this has the smell of menthol. So this can be used to wake you up in the morning, invigorate you, get your senses flowing, and also can unclog that congestion in your nose. So you can either use it in the morning or you can use it at night for a restful sleep. And then we have a bath bomb. Nice, rose scented. Who does not love an awesome bath bomb? So I will break it in 2 so I can use it twice. All right, so let's go ahead and get to the nitty gritty of what is in store for you ladies. This is a package of serums. You have 3 different serums here. They are all 1 ounce each, so you have a long way to go before it's all used up. So enjoy. So let's get started. We'll look at the very first serum here, and we have that, and it is vitamin C. So we go ahead and use vitamin C. It's great for hydration, brightening, reducing redness. It reduces hyperpigmentation. It's great for reducing the appearance of under eye circles. And it can be used once or twice a day. So it's really good on all skin types. So that would be the vitamin C. All right. The next one we have here is Hyaluronic Acid. So you use this, it promotes supple skin, it reduces wrinkles, redness, and dermatitis, as well as it also contains antibacterial properties so that if you have any type of bacteria in your skin, from acne or anything like that, this will help get that cleared up for you. Hyaluronic acid. Right. And then the last serum here is Retinol. This is a game changer right here, ladies. So retinol is used to prevent wrinkles. It's also used to help smooth out the fine lines in your skin. It brightens dull skin by exfoliating at a cellular level, while also it helps with oily skin and it minimizes breakouts. So the key to using retinol is that you want to use it at night because it is light sensitive. So you always want to have a moisturizer base before you use it, or you can mix just like a pea size in your moisturizer and then apply it to the parts of your skin that you want to use it on. So I would use it on my top right there and probably just under my eyes. So also the key to this is you want to moisturize at night before you use it, and then you also want to moisturize every morning with a sunscreen, SPF 15 or higher, because it has a reaction to light And if you don't do that, you could end up having some type of reaction on your skin, or you might have dry, red, flaky skin. So make sure you moisturize, moisturize, moisturize when you use retinol. All right. The very last gift here is a guishi. A guisha, guisha. All right. So this is made out of marble. And so you use this on your skin. It's a skin tool. And so you use it to help provide blood circulation, get your blood flowing. You can use it to put your serums on and get them right into the tissue. Get that all in there. You can use it for your neck. So just a good tool to help invigorate that blood flow on your skin so that your skin is nice and supple. It's like exercise for anything. You're going to stimulate that cell regeneration and the blood flow. All right. So this gift can be for anyone you love, man or woman. All right. We all need to take care of our skin. Anniversaries, birthdays, thinking of you. Congratulations. This gift could be for anyone that you would think that will really, really love the products inside. This can be purchased on Amazon. So if you want to look for more information, please hit me up. Give me a call. Let me know what you think. And if you would like to order it. So that's my product reveal today for BRIO ELAN.